Today we're going to be creating our own little pets. And right now it kind of looks like it's just kind of flat, but our pets are actually going to be able to stand up. They're going to be able to maybe walk around and we can use them. So we're creating some three-dimensional pattern pets today. We're going to start with a piece of paper. It's going to be kind of like a rectangle, and it's a little bit thicker paper so that'll help it stand up. And we're going to start with some patterns. So when I start my pattern, I want to keep in mind the fact that shapes and lines make the best designs. There we go. So you're going to be starting with a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie, and I'm going to start with those lines. So if I'm following a pattern, maybe it's going to be A, B, A, B. So I want to choose two types of lines and alternate them. So maybe I'm going to start with a wavy line, and then go with a straight line. And now it's not quite a pattern yet. I have to repeat it. So we'll do another wavy, all the way to the bottom, and another straight. And now that it's repeated, we're actually making a pattern, another wavy, and then a straight. But like I just said, and as we know, shapes and lines make the best design. So if I already have shapes, then I know that I need to add some, or if I already have lines, then I know I need to add some shapes. So I'm going to go ahead and add some shapes inside of those sections. So maybe in this first section, I'm going to add some circles, and I'm going to have my circles kind of go in a line too. And then in my next section, maybe I'm going to add some triangles. So again, we know in order to make this a pattern, they have to repeat. So if I did triangles, or circles, triangles, then I need to repeat that. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So this section, again, I'm going to have my circles and triangles. And then the next step is to color, and I want to follow a pattern when I color too. So like with this one, I went ahead and did yellow, purple, and then my shapes, I had triangles and hearts. So I made all my triangles green and all my hearts were kind of this like pinkish color. So once I finish drawing my shapes, then I get to decide which colors to use. So I'm going to finish this up. I think that today I really like the color green, so I'm going to use green. I might use some, I think this kind of goldish yellow will look good, maybe some blue and orange just to get some variety. So that's how I'm going to start my coloring. So maybe the background of this one's going to be orange. And if I do this section orange, then this section and this section and this section will need to be orange too. I'm going to repeat myself and create that pattern. So I created a pattern so far with lines. I've created a pattern with shapes. And last, I'm going to create a pattern with colors.